Hello, Kylie here with the Funnel Flippers. We have some exciting opportunity area updates in high level this week. So the first one I want to show you is if you click these three dots and go to Dashboard Insights, you're going to see the option to select a dashboard and quickly add widgets regarding your opportunities directly into your dashboard. So I could literally go ahead and click this, confirm and add, and it would add all of these widgets directly into the dashboard. I can kind of unselect and select the ones that I want to add. And again, same thing, click confirm and add, and it will add those for me. Another little update we have, if we go to manage fields, you actually have the option now to go ahead and update your cart view. So you can see we have all the details here that we can go ahead and add and remove from these contact fields. But you're going to see a bunch of different options that you can go ahead and customize this, which previously wasn't an option at all. So we love that that is now able to be used. I'm going to go ahead and enable smart tags because we're going to talk about that in a second. And then you have quick actions that you can kind of toggle on and off too, as far as what actions and what order you want those actions to actually appear on for the area down here underneath those names. Confirm will adjust to all pipelines. Then if we actually come into pipelines, I want to go ahead and show you something that's actually kind of cool. So first, obviously, we have edit. We can now manage permissions so that not everyone can actually see who is in these pipelines and manage these pipelines. So you do have the option now to kind of control who has access to these different pipelines. Obviously, you can delete. That's the option there. But we're going to see something new when we go into edit. So you can toggle on and off these options again to show in your different charts. That's been there, but the UX is just a little bit different. And then you're going to see a new option called Smart Tags. Smart Tags are an option that HighLevel has went ahead and enabled that will essentially allow us to, at a quick glance, see what's happening inside of these different opportunities and kind of color code those based on our smart tags. So you can see they have some pre-built tags in here that are going to say like hot deal, high value deals added this week with a value of 5,000, new lead, high value. So let's just start with new lead. And I think that's a pretty decent option. Let's do 10 days ago. Actually, I'm going to say 3 because I'm not 100% sure how those parameters are put in place. We can apply to all pipelines. We'll go ahead and add a rule. Okay, so there's the rule. So basically, you're just able to segment out these different color coding options in smart chips. No, based on what people are doing inside of your pipeline. Okay, so that said 7 days. I have to come back and adjust this to 7 days. Add rule. Okay, you can see we can add nested filters so you can do your and or options. Go ahead and save. And then let's go ahead and add another one. We're just gonna add this discovery. I'm just kind of making something up here. We'll add an orange one, apply to all pipelines. Status is open. We're gonna add another filter and let's do, I'm just kind of exploring. I haven't looked at all of these yet. And let's do something on pipeline stage is proposal sent, I guess. Save. Okay, we're just kind of playing around here. But now let's go back and look at our actual opportunities. Okay, so you can see here, discovery call follow-up is in red. And then I don't have any under the new leads area because this is not really being super actively used. But let's go ahead and add one more. Let me remember how I got there. Pipelines. All right, let's go ahead and edit the services pipeline, smart tags, and then we'll add one more. Let's do pre-built. Unassigned deal, owner's empty. This should be actually the majority of them. We're going to try it because I don't know that we have an assignment rule set. Because generally, Sammy and I No, I think Sammy's going to be the owner of almost all of these. Okay, but you're kind of getting the deal. Sorry, I'm trying here. Our pipeline area definitely needs some more work. We haven't put a ton of time into that. So now with the smart tags, though, we're going to be able to essentially organize. You'll be able to see things like contact. So let's actually, I think I saw one here in pre-built. New lead, hot deal. Nope. So let's do one. That's like follow up, stale lead, something like this. Test. We'll make this blue. Apply to all pipelines. Let's add the rule. Let's see, last stage change date is not. Oh, status change is. Okay, well, this wouldn't really be stale, but. All right, let's do this. Beautiful. Okay, so we can see now we have these kind of blue tags. Obviously, that's not going to be for the actual stale people because it's within the past 30 days, but that kind of gives you an idea of how smart tags work and how you're really able to kind of see those in a little better way. And then let's actually see if we can filter. It doesn't look like filtering options include those yet, but I'm going to guess that at some point they will add that to the filters area so that we can go ahead and just see people that are in any of these stages. But if you have questions, let us know.